If you know me personally, then you know that I do not ever wash my truck. I think the last time I washed my truck was when I bought it from my dad. And yeah, that was 2 years ago. So I had to go to Walmart and get a new sponge. I used to wash my vehicles, but it's just too much work. But this one absolutely needs it. So we're gonna do that. So here we go. Alright guys, so I mean, hopefully you can see the potential now. I couldn't get all this off. I didn't spend that much time on it though, so. But you can actually see through the windows now. You can see how busted my windshield is. Driving back and forth from Huntsville definitely has some wear. Need to get that better, but yeah, I'm pleased with it. I think it looks great. One of the main reasons why I didn't finish cleaning this hood is I'm probably gonna get a new hood, because you can do that because the support underneath it is not attached to the hood. It is, but it's on like all four corners and not in the middle to keep it all from doing that. But that fender is gonna need some work. The door doesn't open all the way. Kind of does, but it doesn't. Tomorrow I'll probably work on the interior. Here's a fun little thing for you. 380,485 miles. That's a lot of driving. Well, I got the wrench in my pocket. And we're just gonna take her on out. Surely to God it's not just 2 bolts holding this whole seat in. There we go. Looky there. Just so you know, I am as dumb as I look. Come on. That thing is in there. Need some WD-40. Come on. You know you want to come out. The guy that rents out my front pasture is spraying right now. Ow! Actually learned it at work when you got bolts that are irritatingly hard to reach. Working on grinders, you gotta get creative, but take your another wrench and use it as a cheater bar. You bastard. Oh, I got you. That's all I wanted. Well, there's one of them. I'll have to remove the seat belts. You're smaller than me, so I might have to just have you walk it through. Alright, pick up on that side. Alright, come over to this side. Whole bunch of, I have taken the seats out of this before. I think me and Shaw pulled it out to wire some speakers one time. My grandpa ran these speakers. I can run new speaker wire. There is that's for a radio kit. I could use that, I guess. It was Spitter. Look at him. Fuse box cover. I bet, no joke, I bet that on eBay is at least like $15 for an OEM part. There's a dime. A little progress report. I still need to start working on this side. I've been working mainly on that side, but I broke out some armor all. Been vacuuming, cleaned all that thing out. Found this picture of me from when I was like 2. It was in the truck. He didn't have pictures of nobody else, but he had a picture of me. That's all that counts. So this armor all, I've been putting it on this, and you might can see a difference in like the radio assembly and this one. I've been working hard on this. I picked this up, cleaned it off a little bit. Needs to be cleaned off better. But that, I got everything out of it. It still needs to be like deep cleaned. It's gross. The steering wheel still has mold all over it. But I figured we could work on some stuff over here. So let me set y'all up. Alright guys, so here's the progress. I mean, I'm pretty pleased with it. The seat, still don't know what to do about the seat. If I could keep it and reupholster it or something, I'd like to do that. But yeah, the initial cleaning is done. I mean, the rest of it's just detailing, but we'll wait to do that until later on. But we got her a wash in this episode, and we got the inside cleaned out. Thank you for watching. As always, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a little fun along the way. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
So, let's rate this, shall we? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10, don't even waste your money, and 10 being, oh my God, so good. I'm going to give this, man, I was impressed. Better than I thought it was going to be. I would give it a 91.